I should just let you change your tag for free like every other month or something. Cause honestly,
Control.
it's literally like
Bravo team.
I doubt any sort of strain on their system to change a gamer tag. You know?
Capture and defend, Guardians.
Like, you're already paying for a subscription. If you're gold, you should get a free gamer tag change. I mean, I wouldn't change my tag.
Enemy
I'm sure
captured
people probably
Zone
pay for
A.
this tag, to be
Zone
honest.
C secure.
So many people are fucking obsessed with, like, Destiny tags and shit. Yeah, I made... This isn't, like, my real tag. No. I literally made this tag, and I did one Prison of Elders level 28. In my first chest, I got a Her Benevolence, and I got Last Word. And then first exotic bounty I got was Thorn. What else did I get? Trying to think. Oh yeah, my party crasher that I have on right now. That was my 5th roll or 2nd roll or something ridiculous. And I also, what else? Oh yeah, he was happened to be selling Lucky Raspberry that week too. The week that I like got the account to level 30 or whatever.
You're in the lead.
Oh yeah, and Gallahorn I got from my 2nd Atheon. I got Mythic Class on my 2nd Atheon.
Secure.
I had no sort of RNG like that on my main account that I play on. This is just like my Destiny troll account.
Zone A neutral.
Because I have 10 years in my other tags, so just... I'm not gonna pay to change my fucking tag to
Zone
this.
A
I only made
secure.
this in,
Control all zones.
oh shit, like June. Surprised no one had taken this tag. Did you make yours to be Destiny related?
Zone C
Or that
lost.
just so happened to be Stormbringer?
Enemy captured Zone C.
That kid's just camping at a spawn with the Thorn. That's the annoying shit. We have to push them even though we're winning and we control the map. That's what I hate about this game. Now this kid's gonna switch to a Gallahorn on that heavy. I'm getting over there really fast, so maybe I can kill one of them. I killed one of them that picked it up. This is so slow paced. Yeah, it's over quarter of the way through. We're not even quarter of the way to the final score. Alright, I'm taking on last. All these kids are using hand cannons. I'm gonna use a hand cannon.
Zone C neutralized. Zone A lost.
This kid actually rocketed me.
Zone A.
Oh my god, our team is so empty. Rest in peace. What streamers do you watch? What kind of like games do you like to watch?
Secure.
I don't like watching them. I feel like Gathalion
Zone B
literally
lost.
just does a stream. Like he bases his stream off him just like trying to fucking shit on people who come in his chat and try to troll him. He's like, you got told, you got told. I don't know. I just
Zone B secure.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not gonna stop it. He just does it. I feel like, I don't know.
Neutralized Zone A.
Just kind of bothers me. Like, I guess it's Destiny. Destiny's not really like a competitive game, but I wish like,
You captured Zone A.
I don't know. I just feel like too much of the
All
viewer base
zones
is concentrated
You have
into
total
just
control.
too much casualness.
Zone B lost.
I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like the biggest streamers are mostly casual streamers. Whereas like other games, there's like
Zone B
a mix.
secure.
But they also had fan bases before Destiny, so like I know they were big into Borderlands and stuff. Or at least I know Gathalion was. I know that's where he like got a lot of his viewership. So he brought over what he had into the game. Yeah, so I mean it's not like,
Heavy ammo inbound.
and if you have a big viewer base, you're gonna fucking bring it over and everyone's gonna see you on the top. But what does annoy me about them though is I feel like they enjoy the fact that they can be like, oh, I can host this person and make this person a big streamer on the Destiny directory. You know what I'm saying? Like that kind of bothers me. That's what like I don't know. I feel like it's kind of hard to get exposed. Like I just stream just to fuck around. Like I enjoy when people come into my thing and be like, your gamer tag's a blank shotgun. You fucking suck. Like I've only streamed about 5 times on this account. Today's the first day that I haven't had anyone come in and be like, oh my god, that's actually your gamer tag. Oh, if I got a coal out there. But I get teabagged at least once a game. I'm surprised after I got that 55 kill game, no one messed with me, because dude, I was playing against kids that were, I mean, a couple of them had no thumbs, but like half of them were using thorns and shit. So, I'm gonna get a lot of kills this game. This is just taking forever. I don't know why they haven't like connected anyone else to the lobby. But honestly, I don't mind this feeling of a 4v4. Like it feels like you can actually move around the map. 3v3 I feel is too empty though. Oh, this guy misses Titan Smash on me. I only teabag if someone teabags me. I mean, I can play without like these guns. I think I have like a 2KD and a Warlock. But I wouldn't be... I'd be wasting the gamer tag if I wasn't playing like this. Oh my god, that kid's mad. I need special.
Zone C neutralized. Zone B lost. Heavy ammo on the way.
I hear this kid. I hear him. Dude, laggy. This Bungie, like, how are you lagging in like a
Heavy
2 on
ammo
like fucking
available.
2? Oh my god. Because I mean, I know some people that have to play skirmish because they have such shitty internet.
Zone B.
They play
secure.
skirmish. I can't pick up the heavy because that kid's lagging everywhere. I can't pick up the heavy because of this kid. I couldn't pick that heavy up. They're gonna get that heavy. That, like, if you ever can't pick up a heavy, it's because there's a laggy kid in the game that's just fucking up the entire, Like, that's what bothers me, man. Like, this game could be so good, but Bungie just doesn't give a fuck. Like, they just let shit like this fly, man. Like, that kid just is invincible. Like, how can you kill that which cannot be killed, dude? How do you kill, like, oh my god. I somehow killed him.
Enemy captured Zone C.
I'm gonna have a high kill game. I'm gonna highlight that 55 kill game I got if you want to watch it at some point. This I can't. I just don't know what to
Only 1
do.
minute left.
I'm sending him a message. He's a fucker.
Zone A.
I really don't usually. I only send messages out to people who are complete fuckers. That kid's laggy too. I'm about to have 10,000. That's my.
30 seconds.
That's my.
and
This,
counting.
if I get another kill, this will be my second 10k game tonight. I'm not gonna kill. Oh my god, I'm not gonna get a kill.
You've got 10
Dude!
seconds.
What the fuck? That's just so annoying. I'm trying not to rage, but it's just annoying when I have to deal with this shit.
More efforts like that, and we
You
might
are
just
such a
win
little
this.
fucker, dude. Like, I'm messaging him. He, like, that's what drives, shit like that drives me over the edge. Just stuff that I shouldn't have to deal with. And he had a positive KD. Like, are you serious? He's getting reported. I'm reporting him like on